Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to this channel, a channel where we talk everything beauty related from body fitness, how to clear your skin, beauty, hair. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you haven't hit on the subscription button, please go ahead and do so and support your girl. So, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on a very cheap eyeshadow. If you're like me who love looking good and you can't afford the expensive and luxurious products, I want you to stick to this channel because I'm dealing with everything affordable. So I started off with this eyeshadow, which is just €1. I think in my currency it can be about 350 francs. But this eyeshadow, as you can see, it's not very pigmented, but it will get the work done. I started up with this dark brown at my outer corner, and now I'm just using like a light gold um, color to blend out the dark brown I applied at my outer corner. This is just to avoid the harsh lines. I did my brows off camera, and like I said in the last video, my brows are very difficult to accomplish. In any case, if you want me to do a brow tutorial, please comment in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to do that. So because this eyeshadow palette is very light and not pigmented, you have to go over it a number of times in order for you to get the color popping. And now after being done with the outer corner, I'm going to use the NYX primer to just apply. I already applied the concealer as my primer, but to make the color I want to use pop out a little more, I need some more primer. So I'm using the NYX primer to just tap that around my inner corner and around my lids. I'll further go ahead to use my concealer blending brush to just blend that in. I'm just smoothing everything out, making sure that everything is well blended and smooth, so that when I apply the eyeshadow, I wouldn't have like bumps. I was just checking if the camera was recording because that data do that and the camera isn't recording. So now I'm going to go ahead to apply my eyeshadow, and before that I'm trying to blend out the line between the primer and the outer corner color so as to avoid the harsh lines, because this is not a cut crease, it's just a regular eyeshadow look. I'm going ahead with the blending brush and the gold pin to further blend out that line. And I'm going to be using this gold right here, the center gold at on my eyelids as the main color. So I'm just tapping that into the lids. And because of the primer, you see, even though the eyeshadow is all €1, you see how pigmented it is getting. Even though it's not pigmented enough, but what do you expect for €1 eyeshadow? So you can do this look for your everyday look, or to go to church or casual events. This is just a quick goal. I'm just tapping that onto the lids. I'm not swapping it. I'm just tapping it into the lid. And again, you have to go over it a number of times to really make it pop out. Now I'll go back into the palette and I'm taking the silver color to put it into my inner eyes. Just to just make my eyes look bigger, and you'll make the eyeshadow to really pop out as well. As you can see, blending is the key. It's very important to blend out your eyeshadow very well. I decided to go to regular speed on this one because the video is focused on the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow look, you can tell from the title, the cheap eyeshadow look. So I went on the regular speed. This is not fast forwarded. This is the actual time it takes to achieve this eyeshadow look. And I'm going back again to just emphasize on the inner corner. And now I'm going to fill in the gap between the inner corner and the eyelid. Any spaces that might have been left, I'm going back with the gold color to just fill that up and make sure that there are no spaces left. And then once again, I'm going back with the dark brown to blend out the lines and give it a smooth transition between the gold and the dark brown, as you can see me doing. The key to a good eyeshadow look is blend. You have to blend and blend and blend. I can't emphasize on that enough. I'm just interchanging the blending brushes so as to give it a nice finished blend with not too harshness, but just a soft blend. Just some more brownies. So now I want to elongate my eyes a little bit. That's why I extended the outer corner. I love the illusion that my eyes looks bigger. And now I'm just going to use the concealer to, no, I use the foundation to just clean the outer corners a little bit. This will give me um a perfect map for my eyeliner. Like I'll know I'm not going overboard with the eyeliner. I'm just doing a simple eyeliner. I don't know, yeah, just a simple short wing eyeliner. Nothing too dramatic. I'm not going to be applying lashes. I know eyelashes play a very big role in the makeup game, but I'm not really an eyelash person. And like I said, most of my videos are going to be very affordable affordable makeup videos. And not everybody can afford eyelashes all the time. This is an everyday makeup, and I don't think it's very natural to be wearing eyelashes every day all the time. You can wear eyelashes for special events, which of course I will do videos on that. But eyelashes, I don't know. It's not just for me all the time. So even though it plays my makeup might look somehow without the eyelashes, but I don't wear eyelashes every day. I'm trying to be as me as possible on my videos, so I don't put them on the videos. If you like eyelashes and you want to go for it, girl. Be yourself. And you can, after this, you can watch the eyeshadow tutorial, and then you go ahead to pop in your eyelashes. But I wouldn't be popping in eyelashes. I'm just using a mascara to just brush out my natural lashes. And then I'm using the 01 primer. I already moisturize my face. My face is dry. My face is very dry, so I moisturize the face before I do my brows. And I'm just pressing that primer into my skin. And today for my foundation, I'll be using the MAC foundation. It's a little bit dark though, so I'll highlight it with the Mary Kay foundation. I'm just going over the eyeliner to adjust it to look like the other one. So that's the MAC foundation in the color NC50. Yeah, it's one tone darker than my shade. I'm sorry guys, I didn't notice that the sun was reflecting on my window. Not until I had filmed a part of the video. I'm just going with my clean beauty blender to just blend out the foundation. I'm blending it. The beauty blender is damp. And then I'm going to be slightly applying my concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I know I'm being very messy, but that's just me, guys. And that's with that same beauty blender, I'm just swapping it onto the other side and I'm blending out the concealer. I'm just making sure that everything is blended and smooth. I'm going with the Banyer baking powder, and I'm not going to be baking. I'm just pressing the powder into my skin, and next off I'll just brush it out. So I'm not baking because this Banyer powder. I prefer the Sasha butter. For some reason today I just decided to use the Banyer. I like the yellow tone of the Sasha butter. And then I'm not going to cream contour. I'm not a very big fan of cream contouring. So I usually just go in with my dark powder to cream contour. Oh guys, that light. The light is messing with my video, but what can I do? I just had to upload it. Just pardon me for the light. So you see how the contouring is coming ahead, and I'm using the MAC powder to set the rest of my face, and this is in the color NC45. Come on, look at those eyes. That's just €1 eyeshadow. And I'm going in with the color pop lipstick. I can't remember which color is this. I'll check it and leave it at the description box. I wanted to go in with an ombre effect. So this is another color pop lipstick. I think this should be gold. This should be pinkish gold or something. I'll check and I'll leave it all at the description box below. Let me know what you think about these lips at the comment section. I wasn't really feeling it. Like I'm not feeling it. Tell me what you would go for, please. I've put in my setting spray and I'm just pressing that into my skin. I love doing this step because it actually helps my foundation to stay in place and last longer. I don't know if you know what I mean. When I do the setting spray, I just use this my favorite brush of all times to press it into my skin. It 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 helps, especially if I'm to wear makeup for a long day. It helps my makeup stay in place. It prevents um oiliness if at all to have oil in my skin. It prevents all that. So guys, this is the concluded look. I'm not going to do my edges because I'm trying for my hairline to grow up, so just bear with me. I'll go with it like that. If you learned anything in this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to all those who haven't subscribed. I am so much counting on you to support your girl. I just remembered I didn't highlight my underbrow, so I'm just going to do that. And let me know what you think. I'm learning every day. If you think there's anything I should have done that I didn't do or I did wrongly, please leave a comment below and your girl will get to it. All right. Thank you. Please share this video, and I love you so much. Thanks for the subscribers, and yay, I'm above 50 subscribers. Yeah, I'm thanking God for that, and thank you all for a wonderful time. Thank you for your support as I grow and grow. Yeah, I promise to get better. Thank you. Bye.